After the cache is generated, in the Catalog pane, switch to the Portal panel and navigate to the Pro Practice folder. Use Options to refresh the view. If the Crater Lake mobile service is not shown, click Find More Items at the bottom of the pane. Open and close the folder, and refresh again. Use Insert Project New Map to create a new map, and name it Visit Crater Lake Geology. In the Catalog pane, find the Crater Lake mobile tile layer and drag it into the map. Zoom in until the park map and geologic units appear. This will be the map extent.